You've been using MetaTrader 5 on your phone for months, maybe even years, and you're probably only using about half of what this app can actually do. In this video, I'll show you 5 features on MetaTrader 5 that most traders don't even know exist. And by the end of this video, you will be using MetaTrader 5 like a pro. This is Mobile Trading Academy, where I teach you how to make money trading Forex with your phone. So let's get started. MetaTrader 5 is one of the most popular trading platforms in the world, and most traders, especially beginners, they just open it and they place a trade and they close the app. They don't even explore what else is inside. But the truth is, MT5 has some really powerful features built right in that can make your trading faster and more accurate, and even help you avoid losing money. So I've picked 5 features that I believe that most traders don't even know about, and I'm going to walk you through each one of those features step by step on your phone. Ensure you watch the video to the end, because the last 2 features is an eye-opener. I bet you never used it before. So let's begin with the first. So the first feature I want to introduce you to is the GPS of the MetaTrader 5 app. It's a guide that will teach you anything you need to know about MetaTrader 5, which many of you do not know exists. You keep looking for guides on the internet on what to do and how to use the MetaTrader 5, but there is a built-in feature right here that will show you how the developers of MetaTrader 5 expect you to use the features, and the functions of the features are well explained. So how do you get this GPS or this guide? First, come to this menu button here, these 3 horizontal lines at the top here. So click on it. Come down here to user guide. Click on user guide. So here you have the user guide, MetaTrader 5 Android help. So here you can get every help you need. If you want questions on how to get started, you see it here, getting started. Here is the quotes, depth of markets, charts, trade history, accounts, mailbox, news, events, messages, settings, journals, about, push notifications, tablet version. All these things are right here for you to use. So this is the MetaTrader 5 Android user guide. Everything you need to know about MetaTrader 5 is right here. When you click on getting started, it will take you right to the point of getting started. It's directing you on how to get started. Then if you want to know about the quotes, you click on these quotes. When you click on quotes, it will explain everything you need to know about the quotes. They are all explained there. So if you can read, you can get any information you need here. So this is like the GPS of your MetaTrader 5. So this is one feature that is inbuilt on MetaTrader 5 that not many people know exists. The next feature that many people do not know exists is the dual window feature. So most users of MetaTrader 5 do not know that they can compare 2 instruments, especially those that have correlation, especially things like the US dollar index and the Euro USD. You can have the 2 of them right on the same phone chart with different windows, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. So for you to get to the dual or multiple window interface, tap on the chart. You will see this double square here. Click on it. To add a new window, tap on this plus button here. So we see that we now have a new window here, and this window is showing Euro USD 5 minutes time frame, while the one on top is showing CAD CHF 1 hour time frame. I can select any instruments to be in any of these windows. If I want to change the instruments here, I'll just tap on this drop down beside the currency pair. So when I tap on it, I'll see other currency pairs that I have in my quote. So I can select any of those. So let's say I want to select WTI, which is crude oil, to be on this second chart window here. So all I need to do is tap on this little arrow button by the side of this currency pair. Then I'll look for WTI. I'll click on it and select it. And if I want to make it to be on the same time frame with the chart on top, all I need to do is tap on that current window, select the time frame, let's say 1 hour time frame. So here we have two different charts that we can use to compare if they are correlated in any way. For you to remove the dual window, tap on the chart, return back to the dual window sign, select the one you want to remove. So let's say we want to remove oil, so I can select the oil, delete. So we now have a single window once again. So the next feature we're going to look at is the one-click trading feature. So MetaTrader 5 has a one-click trading feature that lets you buy or sell with just one tap on this buy or sell button. So to enable the one-click trading feature, all you need to do is come to these three horizontal lines at the top left-hand corner, click on it, then come to settings, click on settings. There you will see one-click trading allows performing trade operations with a single tap without additional confirmation from the trader. So you select it. You will see the disclaimer telling you the implications of using one-click trading feature. So you accept the terms and conditions and click OK. So when you do that, if you return to your chart, if you click on sell, instantly the sell order will be executed without asking for any confirmation. I just clicked on it and you can see that instantly we just got a buy without any confirmation as previously. So that is what the one-click trading mode can help you do. Now let me sound a warning to you concerning this feature that you need to be very careful with the feature because you don't want to accidentally open a trade which you never intended to open, because some people make that mistake. Your hand will hit on buy or sell and it will be executed without you intentionally wanting to execute the trade. So that is one of the cons of this feature. So if you're using it, you have to be very careful and make sure that you don't mistakenly hit it, because once you hit it, the order is executed. It doesn't care whether you intended to use it or not. So that is a note of warning. So another feature that most traders never know existed on MetaTrader 5 is partial profit taking feature on MetaTrader 5. So let's say I have this trade here with 0.2 lot size and I want to close it. So you can actually close a part of it instead of closing everything. That is partial profit taking. So how do you do the partial closing? So you come under trades. So when you come to trades, you swipe right or you tap on the trade that you want to close partially, or tap on this close button here. If you look down here, you will see close with profit 2.04. That is to close the entire trade. Or I can reduce it by say 0.1. So now I'm only closing 0.1 instead of 0.2. And the profit I will be taking is just $1. When I click on close, the order has been closed, but I still have 0.1 now. That means I've closed partially. This can be very useful when you want to take your profits halfway. Instead of allowing the whole trade to run to your target, you can take profit halfway. Or when you mistakenly use the higher lot size than you wanted to use, you can actually cut your losses early by taking parts of the trade out. So that is where this will also be very helpful. Then the last feature I would like to show you is bulk operation feature. Now this bulk operation feature is the feature you can use to close all your trades at once. So let's say things aren't going the way you want, or maybe the market is moving so fast and you just want to take out all the trades at once. Instead of closing one by one, tapping and coming to close and closing it one by one, you can just do everything all at once. And how do you do that? Come to these very three dots here, click on it, then you will see close all positions. So if I click on this close all positions, everything will be closed at once. If I click on close profitable positions, only the profitable positions will close. If I click on close losing positions, all the losing positions will close. So with this, you don't need to start taking individual actions one after the other. You can just do a bulk operation. So like now, let me close all profitable positions. So if I close all profitable positions, you can see that every profitable position is gone. I'm only left with the losing position. So that is how you can do bulk operations. And if I had closed all positions, both the losing position and the profitable position would have all been taken out. So these are some of the features that will help you master MetaTrader 5 and trade profitably in your trading career. I hope this helps. If it does, like the video, engage in the comment section, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.